delighted to be joined by Philip and Anna Isabel from the Haiti National Trust. You're doing absolutely critical work with one of the most troubled countries in the Western Hemisphere. Can you tell us a little bit more about that and what the Haiti National Trust is trying to do for Haiti at the moment?
Well, I will let Anne-Isabelle get to more details about the work that we do, but Haiti National Trust and the Audubon Society Haiti, because the Audubon Society Haiti exists since 2003 legally, but goes a little bit further than that, almost 30 years of existence. And Haiti National Trust bank on all this experience in conservation that we built over the years, because we found out by experience that we needed another strategy and more resource to carry out our program. Haiti is in a very difficult situation. I would say Haiti, and I think Anne-Isabelle has brilliantly made that point. It was a little bit short, but I think the message was sent that Haiti is not Port-au-Prince. Port-au-Prince has indeed a lot of problems, but Port-au-Prince is a part of Haiti, and if Haiti has 12 to 14 million people, maybe 4 million lives in the Port-au-Prince area, and 8 million of souls live elsewhere. So our programs are focusing on biodiversity conservation in the areas that we have identified through satellite studies that host the most biodiversity. And the flagship project that we have is Grand Bois. And I would encourage, for instance, anyone that is interested to visit our website, Haiti National Trust, at haititrust.org. If you have any direct question, I would be happy to
Well, I want to say thanks very much first, and Ireland stands with Haiti and has stood with Haiti at the UN for whatever that means. I don't know if it makes any difference. Before I move over to you and Isabel, and excuse me if I'm asking this the wrong way, but are there any solutions for Port-au-Prince? What do you think? How can a city so troubled
bring back security?
Is that it?
That's the first thing. Now, you may ask another question that is a little bit more difficult to answer. How can we bring back security as a safe place? That's a question that unfortunately, I would love to have an answer, but I don't. That's why we're focusing, despite all the difficulties that you may have seen in the presentation, that we still manage to get some results, because life continues, and Haiti needs it. And what also I would like to say before Anne-Isabelle is that without adequate financial and human resources, we need that essentially to carry on long-term sustainable conservation program. If not, it's just conversation.
Yeah.
Conservation without resource is just conversation.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. I'm going to move over to Anna Isabel. We'll have to share the microphone. I just stood on stage with you, and we were in a panel I was moderating, and it was about conserving ecosystems and biodiversity in the Caribbean. You spoke very passionately about some of the work you're doing. You showed fantastic slides that illustrated the dynamic of life in Haiti and the Port-au-Prince and some of the regions you're working. Tell us a little bit more about the actual projects that you're doing, like in the rural areas of Haiti.
So our project really focused on restoration. So we work in protected areas or national parks, and we work with local communities and we implement restoration activities. So it goes from nurseries of native plant species to reforestation with these same plants, removal of invasive species, which is a big part of what we do, a lot of education, awareness, and we really integrate the local communities to everything that we do, because they are from the area, they will stay there, and they are the future of this area, and they will benefit from the work that we do. And so we hire them on our projects, we hire them as forest rangers, and so on. So our projects are really focused on restoration of the ecosystems and protection once the ecosystem is restored. We also involve a lot into research when we can, where we can, and these this data that we collect really informs everything that we do. So we have to change our strategies, we have to tweak some things in our projects, but in the end, the objective is really to reverse this degradation of the ecosystem and preserve the biodiversity that we have.
Well, it's fantastic work, and I really enjoyed seeing about it.
Thank
and
you.
hopefully you might join me in the podcast someday. We'll hear a little bit more. Our Shared Ocean has small projects in Haiti. We work with the Haiti Ocean Project at Cascade University, as you said. We'd very much welcome collaboration with yourselves if you think we can synergize both our efforts. On the ground, we're looking at this local conservation, building the communities of knowledge in and around marine conservation, which is so desperate.
Yeah, we work from mountain to sea. So right now we're focusing on forested areas and biodiversity hotspots, which are high altitudes. But if you don't take care of these areas, everything you do on the coastal side will be a waste. So it's really, you need to integrate the two. So
Well, we'll be very happy to look at the oceans of Haiti for you and work with you on that.
Thank you.